I wanted to show you all something about Astrovans and Safaris that beat me up for, I don't know, a couple of hours. This is the G105 ground that goes to the threaded stud on the thermostat housing. And I had no communication. I had all kinds of communication codes. Sometimes the security light was on. And the other day I was here and I looked at this, and I know that the tan and white is a ground for the computer, and I pulled on it and messed with it and cleaned the ground right there, cleaned the threads on the stud, put it back, ruled it out, but I actually didn't check again after that. I just saw that it looked good. So what I want to do is I want to demo. Right now the key is in the on position and nothing's turning on. Now I have this wire pinched 3 inches up from the eyelet, and if I touch this to here, you see the fuel pump and everything turns on. You can hear it, the relays click. But if I disconnect that and I go to here, there's nothing. No activity. But if I go here, everything comes alive. So that means this wire is broke somewhere's right in there. But it looked good, and I pull on it. You know, usually it's a rubber band. So I'm going to cut this back and put a new eyelet on it. But this was the reason that this Safari became a crank no start with no spark, no fuel pressure, no fuel injector pulse. Check this first. G105 at the thermostat housing. Just figured I'd pass that along.